Welcome to Nocturnal Nature. The fog seeps through the trees. The spiders are spinning their beautiful webs. Spiders? Spiders? The sun sets and the moon rises. We are stalking the stalker, the most ferocious, malicious predator. And I'm terrified, Mr. Leafy Boo Boo. I just have to get my night vision binoculars adjusted. I'm making sure these are focused, see? Oh, son of a bitch! I'm going to prove to you that I can see in the dark without these, okay? Oh, look at this. We have a very unique critter right under this leaf. It likes these high alpine meadows, see? This kind of... Okay, it's a sleeping caterpillar and it's on my lawn. But so what? We're short of footage. I'm not afraid of the dark. Are you, Mr. Leafy Boo? What's that? What's that? It's... What kind of ghostly apparition is flying through the trees? Oh, it's coming. I think the animal we're looking for is right ahead of that log. There's just a bigger one on that log. Can you get a shot of that, Jeff? It's sniffing for us. It can smell our tracks. It smells Mr. Leafy Boo Boo. Ah, it's coming towards us. No, now it's moving away. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. Ah, he's coming back. He's coming back. No! Oh, they eat leaves. No, Mr. Leafy Boo Boo. Run for your life. You should be ashamed of yourself, young slug, deforesting the forest.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Let's look for our predator.